Laksharchana at Nityananda Vedic Temple, Hyderabad. Nityananda Vedic Temple, Hyderabad performed Laksharchana to Lalita Devi. We chanted Lalita Sahasranama, 1000 names of Divine Mother, together to a count of 1,00,000 names. Laksharchana is a tradition that involves the chanting of 1,00,000 names of the Divine Mother. Each name represents different aspect of the Divine Mother, which is chanted in Sanskrit. When we chant the mantra with intensity, that aspect of the divine which is also present in us will get awakened. This is a very powerful and beautiful spiritual practice. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Kundalinyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Visatantatanisyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhavanyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhavanagamyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhavaranyakuttarikayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhadrapriyayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhadramurtaye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhakta Saubhagyadayinye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhakti Priyaye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhakti Gamyaye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhakti Vashyaye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Bhayapahaye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Shambhavyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Sharadaradhyaye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Sharvanyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Sharmadayinyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Shankarye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Srikarye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Sadhye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Sharaschandranibhanayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Shatoddaye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Shantimatyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Niradharayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Niranjanayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Nirlepayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Nirmalayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Nityayai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvada Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri